Medical has been manufacturing fully adjustable bed systems focused on the long-term care market for over 30 years. Now, through our NOA Hospital division, we are applying our quality and manufacturing expertise and are introducing our Platinum hospital bed systems to the acute care market. We offer 4 specific models in our Platinum hospital bed line, which will allow you to effectively meet your clinical and patient needs. Our Platinum hospital bed line offers you a combination of standard and premium features, all at price points to best address your overall facility's financial and patient care requirements. Our progressive designs, quality manufacturing, and aggressive pricing make our NOA Hospital Platinum Bed Series one of the best values on the market. Our top-of-the-line Platinum SCE Plus is IEC 60601-2-52 certified, ensuring that our bed systems meet or exceed entrapment guidelines. The SCE Plus has a safe working load of 600 pounds, self-leveling motors, and is available in 80-inch or 84-inch length. The Platinum SCE Plus has a deck height range of 11 inches to 31.5 inches. It comes with a 15-year warranty on deck and frame welds and a 4-year warranty on electronics. The beds roll on 5-inch hospital-grade casters that provide ease of movement and are durable for long life. Our electronic one-button push central locking system provides for a unique solution to central and directional locking of casters for ease of use and transport. This ensures the patient's safety and is convenient for the caregiver. There are drainage hooks positioned on both sides of the bed to assist in patient care. The beds have high-impact, quick-release head and footboards, and high-impact side rails that can be raised and lowered easily, locking into place and positioned and tested to best eliminate chances of entrapment of your patient. When firmly locked into place, the head and footboards, as well as the side rails, offer sturdy handholds assisting your patients in repositioning, as well as for the staff to maneuver the bed. The Platinum SCE Plus also offers transport handles to further assist in transporting the bed from area to area. The patient handset has 10 buttons which operate all bed functions. It has non-locking control of head angle, foot and knee angle, comfort chair, elevation, and Trendelenburg positions. AY cable allows the handset to be plugged into either side of the bed to allow for easy and convenient access. The handset is backlit to provide ease of use for the patient or staff at night, and also controls an LED light under each side of the bed to reduce falls and assist with patient care in a dark room. For the patient's convenience, a pillow speaker controls entertainment and lighting, and a nurse call button and 2-way monitor assists in communicating with the nursing staff through the integrated nurse call system. The new integrated bed exit alarm has the ability to be adjusted to your patient's needs or requirements. The exit alarm will allow you to set specific zones in 5% gradients, adjusting the level of sensitivity of the alarm system. This will allow you to customize settings for the very active patient, the high fall risk patient, as well as your low risk patients that you feel you still need to keep a watchful eye on. The Platinum SCE Plus electronic controls include a digital nurse panel which contains all of the patient handset features and provides real-time readouts of head and knee deck angles, T or RT angle, and bed height. The nurse panel also controls the electronic CPR quick release button, quickly lowering the head deck in a controlled fashion, providing quick clinician access to their patient during any emergency. The integrated patent-pending scale and bed exit alarm are displayed on an easy-to-read digital pad located on the footboard. The weights can be displayed in pounds or kilograms, and you can easily zero out the system for new patient weights, or when adding weight to the bed, thus allowing you to maintain accurate patient weights during their complete stay. An important feature to note is that our scale system never needs calibration, saving your facility an estimated $200 per year per bed in calibration costs. The Platinum SCE Plus comes standard with a battery backup in case of a power outage, and additional 110-volt outlets to allow you to maintain ancillary equipment. NOA acute care beds are a key component to patient safety, recovery, and well-being. They also reduce risk to caregivers and provide ease of maintenance. NOA Medical, working to better meet the needs of your diverse patient population at an affordable price.